What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to install TrollStore on iPhone XS, 11, 12, 13 and iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you don't know what is TrollStore, then it's a big problem. TrollStore is a utility which is able to permanently sign and install any app with almost any entitlement with the help of a CoreTrust bug. In simple terms, it allows for installing apps with custom entitlements, allowing them to be treated as system apps with extra features compared to normal side loading, and allows them to be installed permanently. It's pretty easy to install TrollStore, and I'm gonna show you the easiest way to install it on any iPhone running iOS 15.2 and above. If you want to install TrollStore on iOS 15 and up, we are gonna use the installation method called TrollRestore. This new method is completely different compared to the previous TrollStore installation methods. So in today's video I'm gonna show you the steps that you need to install TrollStore. So first, what's the requirements? First, make sure to disable Find My iPhone, install the latest version of Python 3 for your computer, ensure you are on a compatible iOS 15.2 and up, and finally install a system app from the App Store such as Tips app. Okay, now let's go ahead and install TrollStore. Here as you see, we will use a tool called TrollRestore. TrollRestore is a TrollStore installer for iOS 15.2 up to iOS 17. It will replace a system app of your choice with a TrollStore binary, which you can then open and use to install TrollStore. Alright, here is the requirements for your computer. First, a device running iOS, iPad OS 15.2 to 16.6.1, 16.7 and iOS 17.0. The latest version of Python 3, the latest version of iTunes if you are using Windows, the latest version of TrollRestore for your platform. For Windows, this will be TrollRestore.exe. For Apple Silicon Macs, this will be TrollRestore macOS ARM64. For Intel-based Macs, this will be TrollRestore AMD64. For Linux, this will be TrollRestore Linux. Make sure to download the correct version for your Mac. If you have a Mac with Apple chip, make sure to download ARM64 version. If you have a Mac with Intel chip, make sure to download AMD64 version. Okay, now go ahead and download TrollRestore. Since I'm using Mac with Intel chips, so I will download AMD64 version. Okay, it's now downloading. The download is completed. Now after downloading TrollRestore, go ahead and unzip the file, and as you see, you will get this tool. Open it. Now connect your iOS device. This is my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I will connect it. Now go ahead and open TrollRestore. Here as you see, please specify the removable system app you want to replace with TrollStore Helper. If you don't know which app to specify, specify the Tips app. So here type Tips and hit enter. Remember guys, Find My iPhone must be disabled in order to use this tool. I've already disabled it. Okay, after disabling Find My, go ahead and reopen the tool. Type Tips and hit enter. And as you see, installed successfully, your device should reboot. Okay, now let's continue on iPhone. Now just go ahead and open Tips app. And as you see, this is TrollStore Helper that we will use to install TrollStore. Okay, TrollStore is not installed. Now press install TrollStore and wait a few seconds. Your device should respring. Go ahead and go to the home screen and you should find TrollStore app. And as you see, here is the TrollStore. Go ahead and open it and boom, TrollStore is here. Now you can install any app with TrollStore, and the best thing is that it is completely free and easy to use. Here there is something important you must do, which is to install Persistence Helper. Press on Persistence Helper. Now here select the system app to install the TrollStore Persistence Helper into. The normal function of the app will not be available, so it's recommended to pick something useless like Freeform app or the Tips app. And as you see, it has been installed successfully. TrollStore Persistence Helper is now installed on the Tips app. Now you are ready to go. As I said, TrollStore allows for installing apps with custom entitlements, allowing them to be treated as system apps with extra features compared to normal side loading, and the best thing is that it allows them to be installed permanently. It's an amazing app that I recommend you guys to install. Now I will try to download and install an app. I will download Dopamine Jailbreak tool. Here I will download the TrollStore version. It ends with DEPA format. If you want to install Dopamine Jailbreak using sideloadly, then download dopamine.ipa format. Press this button here, go to downloads. Okay, it's now downloading. Once the download completed, press the share button. Now open it in TrollStore. Now press install, and that's it. Dopamine Jailbreak tool has been installed successfully. So guys, this is how to install TrollStore on iPhone XS, 11, 12, 13 and iPhone 14. It works on iOS 15.2 up to iOS 16.7 and iOS 17.0. It's pretty easy and simple. As this method of installing TrollStore involves restoring a modified backup, you will need to disable Find My before installing it. TrollRestore does not restore a proper persistence helper. It simply replaces the main binary of a system app with an embedded troll helper. Thus, after installing TrollStore, it is recommended to install a persistence helper. You can use the same app used with TrollRestore as your persistence helper. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace out.